Denver 7 News starts right now.
Police officers from across the country are gathering in Washington to honor their fallen brothers and sisters in blue. It's all part of National Police Week. Law enforcement officials have held a series of events in Washington all week, including holding mass and welcoming officers with a Unity Tour arrival ceremony on Friday. And here at home, the names of 3 Colorado law enforcement officers are being added to the National Memorial. And tonight in Golden, those 3 fallen officers were remembered with a candlelight vigil. Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is at the State Memorial at Camp George West. And Lance, it was a very moving ceremony.
It was a beautiful ceremony during a beautiful evening to honor a deputy from Mesa County, one from Park County, and a state trooper.
I want to recognize the survivors, the family members, those officers who have been killed in line of duty.
A tribute to the families of Derek Gear, Nate Kerrigan, and Cody Donahue, law enforcement officers who lost their lives in the line of duty last year.
I'm only one call away.
Aurora Police Chief Nick Metz delivered the keynote address. He talked about the lyrics of a song he just heard a few nights ago, lyrics that reminded him of an op-ed cartoon depicting one of his officers holding a child victim of the theater shooting with a poster of Batman in the background.
And it basically means who's really the superhero in this situation.
He reminded those in attendance that as we honor those 3 Coloradans, other officers around the country are losing their lives.
To date, in 2017, we have lost 47 officers. That's up 27% from this year to date in 2016. And this is why nights like tonight are so very important.
He said the 3 Coloradans made a difference and are continuing to do so.
Deputy Gear donated his organs so that others can live. Deputy Kerrigan from Park County brought a community together that was fractured. Trooper Donahue's Move Over campaign is already helping to save fellow officers and troopers throughout the whole state.
As taps played, family members and fellow officers placed roses at the base of the memorial. They then lit candles and raised them skyward to remember the fallen.
And Chief Metz says the names on this memorial represent 306 families who supported their loved one's call and whose loss is unimaginable. He says for many of them, it still is. In Golden, Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.